Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Master Sumitra for sharing this wonderful question. And let's start. Here's the question. The two small circles are congruent. Now the question is, what is the length of the radius r? Now if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video, so let's see if your answer is correct. Now, first thing to do is to consider this right triangle. Since we have the two legs, we can now find the hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem. So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared, wherein a is 9 centimeters, b is 12 centimeters, and c is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. Now, substitute all the given values. We have 9 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. Now, 9 squared plus 12 squared is simply 81 plus 144. 81 plus 144 is 225. Now, square root both sides and will give us 15 equals c. Therefore, the hypotenuse of this right triangle is simply 15 centimeters. Now, to find the length of the radius r, we will use the formula A equals 1/2 times base times height, or simply the area of a triangle. Now, to do that, we need to consider the center of this second circle. Now, connect this point through the vertex of this right triangle, like this. Next, from this point again, draw some radius. So this also radius r because it is the radius of this circle. Now, this segment is simply equal to the radius plus a diameter of this circle. Therefore, in terms of r, the length of this segment is simply 3r. So we have 2 radius plus another radius. So we have 3r. Next thing to do is to consider these three triangles. Now, the combined area of these three triangles is equal to the area of the big right triangle. Now, it follows that 1/2 times 12 times 9, or simply the area of the big right triangle, we have 1/2 times base equal to 12 times height, which is equal to 9, is equal to 1/2 times 12 times r, plus the area of this purple triangle, we have 1/2 times 15 as the base times r as the height, plus the area of this blue triangle, we have 1/2 times 9 as the base times 3r as the height of this triangle. Now simplify and we get 54 equals 6r plus 15r over 2 plus 27r over 2. Factor out r and simplify. 15 over 2 plus 27 over 2 will give us 21. 21 plus 6 will give us 27. So we have 54 equals r times 27, or 27r. Now divide both sides by 27 and will give us r equals 2. Therefore, the length of the radius r is simply 2 centimeters. And we're done. Before I end this video, let's have some extra challenge. In this diagram, determine the value of r.